I need a bucket of holy water, a gun, and a goddamn priest from The Exorcist, and I got this bitch covered. Give it to me. What the fuck? Get the telephone. How you use the telephone? Where the telephone at? Where the fuck the telephone at? We better find this goddamn telephone, goddamn it. Oh, X on George? What the fuck? Oh God, boy, fuck, man, this shit. We just get me some water out there. Oh God, this motherfucker is crazy, crazy ass little kids. You got crazy ass little ratchet kids running around this motherfucker. Oh shit! Motherfucker!